Looking for a power rearview mirror that fits your 2014 or 2015 Kia Optima perfectly? This OE-style replacement mirror matches your vehicle's original features exactly, so you won't have to worry about compatibility or modifications. It's designed specifically for Optimas built in the USA during those model years, giving you a seamless fit and reliable function right out of the box. When it comes to replacing critical parts like your rearview mirror, quality matters. This mirror uses premium components and precision engineering to deliver a long-lasting, attractive replacement. It's not just about looks. This part is built to perform just like the factory-installed mirror, ensuring your safety and convenience on the road. Plus, installation is straightforward. One customer shared how they swapped out the old mirror in just 5 minutes, with no extra tools or adjustments needed. That's the kind of hassle-free upgrade every driver appreciates. What you get is peace of mind backed by a 1-year limited warranty. No guessing if the part will fit or last, you're covered. This product has earned top reviews across the United States, praised for its exact match to the original and its dependable quality. If you want a replacement mirror that looks and works like the original without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. If you're ready to restore your Optima's rearview mirror with a reliable, affordable solution that installs quickly and fits perfectly, this power mirror delivers exactly that. Try it when you're ready. No modifications, premium quality, and backed by real customer satisfaction.